Hello, I'm going to ask you 100 questions. Some of the questions might be rude, some of the questions might be a little weird. It's all for fun. Here we go. How are you?
I'm doing great, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Mike.
How old are you?
I'm 35 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from the USA.
Where were you born?
I was born in Fort Polk, Louisiana.
Where do you live?
I live now in South Korea.
Are you married?
I am married.
Do you have any children?
I don't have any kids.
What do you do?
I teach at an international school.
Are you a YouTuber?
I am a YouTuber.
What's your channel name?
My channel name is Michael.
How much money do you make?
I make a good amount of money.
Do you have any siblings?
I do, I have 4 siblings.
Are you friendly?
I think I'm pretty friendly.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy martial arts and making videos.
Do you like to listen to music?
I love listening to music.
Who is your favorite band?
I love Linkin Park.
Have you ever worn makeup?
I have worn makeup.
Are you happy?
I'm extremely happy.
Have you ever been in a fight?
I have been in a fight.
Did you win the fight?
I did not win the fight.
What did you eat for breakfast today?
I didn't eat anything for breakfast.
What time do you usually get up?
I normally get up at about 7 in the morning.
Do you love Japanese anime?
I do love Japanese animation.
What's your favorite sports team?
My favorite sports team is the Miami Heat.
What sports can you play?
I can play basketball, American football, and taekwondo.
Can we be friends?
Of course, let's be friends.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I normally go to bed at 1 a.m.
Do you smoke?
I don't smoke.
Can you do 20 push-ups?
I can do 20 push-ups.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is French fries.
What was your major in university?
My major in university was middle school education.
How many languages do you speak?
I can speak 3 languages.
Can you cook?
Oh, I can cook.
What are you going to do today?
I'm going to get ready for work tomorrow.
What are you doing now?
I am talking to you.
What did you do last night?
I played video games last night.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
I'm going to teach children tomorrow.
Could you lend me $100?
I can lend you $100 if I know when I'm getting it back.
Do you think or know that you're a great person?
I know that I'm a great person.
Do you miss your parents?
I miss my parents all the time.
How often do you call your mom?
I talk to my mom every 2 days.
Are you tired?
I'm a little tired.
Are you hungry?
I'm a little hungry.
Are you a neat freak?
I am not a neat freak.
Do you have a good sense of humor?
I have a fantastic sense of humor.
Is it okay for men to cry?
It's okay for men to cry.
What's your nickname?
Mike or Sexy Beast?
Can I be your enemy?
You can be my friend.
How long does it take you to get to work?
It takes me about 5 minutes to get to work.
How do you get to work?
I walk to work.
Are you often sick?
I'm never sick.
Do you collect anything?
I collect figurines.
Have you ever had a broken heart?
I've definitely had a broken heart.
Are you an introvert or an extrovert?
I'm a big extrovert.
What was your first job?
My first job was making French fries at McDonald's.
Who knows you best?
My mom knows me best.
Do you have any cryptocurrency?
Sadly, I don't have any cryptocurrency.
Are you rich?
I wish I was rich.
Do you like to use social media?
I do like to use social media.
What's your Instagram handle?
My Instagram handle is Michael86.
Do you think English is the most important language?
I don't think English is the most important language.
Are you an optimist or a pessimist?
I am a big optimist.
Are you afraid of needles?
I'm a little afraid of needles.
What brand is your mobile phone?
The brand of my mobile phone is an iPhone.
Are you a romantic person?
I am a romantic person.
What makes you really angry?
I really don't like it when people talk at the same time as me.
Do you play computer games?
I do play computer games.
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
I prefer cats now.
Do you have a bromance with anyone?
I have a bromance with a few bros.
In the summer, would you rather go to the beach or go camping?
I'd rather go to the beach.
Do you have any phobias?
I do. I have a phobia of bees.
Do you agree with the proverb, no pain, no gain?
I highly agree with the proverb, no pain, no gain.
Is this interview painful?
This interview feels good.
What's a word that rhymes with sock?
Mock.
How often do you drink coffee?
I never drink coffee.
Do you sing well?
I sing terribly.
Can you dance?
Oh, I can dance. Really.
When was the last time you threw up?
The last time I threw up was when I had too much whiskey.
What was your first job after high school?
My first job was pushing buggies or carts at a grocery store.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am a night owl.
If you could live anywhere, where would it be?
I will live in England.
What is your proudest accomplishment?
The proudest accomplishment that I had is getting my black belt.
What makes a happy marriage?
Communication.
Do you get bored easily?
I get bored very easily.
Can you whistle?
I sure can whistle.
Are you good at networking?
I am a good networker.
Are you a workaholic?
I am not a workaholic.
Do you believe in love at first sight?
I believe love at first sight is a myth and it does not exist.
What subjects were you good at in high school?
I was really good at PE.
Do you do Twitch?
I do Twitch.
What's your Twitch handle?
My Twitch handle is MikeHole86.
Are you better than me?
I don't know. Maybe at a few things.
Do you have many regrets?
I don't have many regrets.
Do you snore?
I think I snore.
How often do you brush your teeth?
I brush my teeth 2 times a day.
How many hours of sleep do you need per night?
I need at least 7 hours of sleep.
Are you addicted to anything?
I'm addicted to love.
How often do you eat fast food?
I eat fast food maybe once a week.
What's the best way to study English?
The best way to study English is to be around people who speak it fluently.
Okay, we finished 100 questions. Were there any questions you thought were very strange or rude?
None. I loved all the questions.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you for sharing.
Bye.